If you're looking for a way to extract pricing data for market research quickly and efficiently, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through how to use Browse AI to gather pricing data for any market you're targeting and how it can make your research process faster and more accurate. Stick around because I'm going to show you a simple way to unlock all the benefits of this tool, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to use it like a pro. Before we dive in, you can access Browse AI for free through the first link in the description below, and we've got exclusive bonuses for you to get started with the platform right now. Now, let's jump straight into how Browse AI works for extracting pricing data. Browse AI is a web scraping tool, which means it helps you collect data from websites automatically. If you've ever spent hours collecting pricing data manually for market research, you know just how time-consuming and inefficient that can be. Browse AI solves that by automating the entire process. Once you're in the Browse AI platform, the first thing you'll want to do is set up a new robot to extract data from the website you're targeting. It's as easy as entering the website URL and telling Browse AI what data to look for. It's designed to be intuitive, so even if you've never used web scraping tools before, you'll find this process pretty straightforward. Let's say you want to pull pricing data from an e-commerce site or even a competitor's online store. Browse AI allows you to define exactly what information you want to extract, such as product names, prices, descriptions, or even specific variations like sizes or colors. The platform uses AI to identify the relevant data points automatically, which saves you tons of time. After your robot is set up, you can run it and watch as it extracts data for you in real time. All of the data is then organized neatly into a downloadable file, typically a CSV, which you can then analyze, compare, and incorporate into your market research. Browse AI doesn't just help with pricing data extraction. It can help you track market trends over time by setting up recurring extractions. This means you can monitor price changes, product launches, or even competitor activity continuously without lifting a finger after the initial setup. For those who want even more customization, Browse AI offers an easy-to-use point-and-click interface to train your robots. This makes it even easier to refine your data collection for more specific research needs. It's not just about pricing either. If you're gathering competitor insights, product reviews, or inventory data, Browse AI has you covered. Now, to make this even more valuable, there's a little-known trick you can use within Browse AI. If you find that certain websites are blocking your robots from accessing their data, Browse AI has built-in tools to work around this. This feature makes it much easier to collect data from sites with restrictive access policies without breaking the rules or getting flagged. If you're someone who's new to web scraping or automation, the best part is Browse AI's free trial lets you explore everything without any commitments. This gives you full access to all the features to start collecting data immediately. So here's the bottom line. Browse AI makes market research easier and faster than ever. Whether you're looking to track pricing for competitive analysis or monitoring changes across multiple websites, this software is a game changer. Remember, with the link below, you'll get exclusive access to a free trial, so make sure you take advantage of that. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, Browse AI can help you automate data extraction with ease. If you're ready to boost your market research with powerful web scraping, click the link below to get started with your exclusive extended free trial.